County in northwestern Pennsylvania until 4:15 p.m. At 3:22 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Albion, or 8 miles southeast of County Ark, moving east at 25 miles per hour. 60 miles. Source.
What else got issued?
Expect damage to trees, power lines. Locations impacted include Erie, Edinburgh, Girard, Cambridge, Waterford, Albion, Lake City, Cranesville, Springboro, Clavia, Neil Village, and Avonia. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Large hail, damaging wind, and continuous cloud to ground lightning are occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of the remember, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.